We live on a small blue planet that feels huge to us. Oceans, continents, cities, it all seems endless. But in reality, our world is just a tiny grain of dust floating in the vast cosmic ocean. In this episode, planets, giants, and cosmic monsters. Today, we'll explore how small we truly are by comparing the sizes of planets and stars.
Welcome to CurioScope, where curiosity meets science. Let's dive in. Let's start close to home with the planets of our solar system. Mercury, the smallest planet, just a bit larger than our moon. Venus and Mars. Venus is almost Earth's twin in size, while Mars is only about half as big. Earth, our home. Not the biggest, not the smallest, but perfectly balanced. It feels immense. But wait till we zoom out. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, each about 4 times wider than Earth. Saturn, the beautiful one with the rings, so massive it could fit 760 Earths inside. And Jupiter, the true king, 11 times wider than Earth and big enough to hold more than 1,300 Earths. Wait a second, you might be thinking, hold on, isn't something missing here? If you're talking about Pluto, you're absolutely right. But here's the thing. Once upon a time, Pluto was indeed considered the 9th planet of our solar system. But in 2006, astronomers decided it's not quite a planet. Why? To be officially called a planet, a celestial body has to meet 3 conditions. First, it must orbit the sun. Second, it must be massive enough to become nearly round in shape. And third, it has to clear its orbit of other objects. And that's where Pluto fails the test. Its orbit crosses Neptune's path, and it shares its region, the Kuiper Belt, with many other bodies of similar size. So now, it's classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto remains one of the most mysterious and somehow one of the most beloved worlds in our solar system. A system where all these planets, from the smallest to giants like Jupiter, fit comfortably around one star, our Sun.
The Sun is enormous, 10 times wider than Jupiter, 109 times wider than Earth, and could fit over 1 million Earths inside its glowing body. But here's the twist. The Sun is actually an average star. In cosmic terms, it's nothing special.
Let's meet some real cosmic giants. Sirius A, twice the size of the Sun, the brightest star in our night sky. Pollux, 10 times larger. Arcturus, 25 times larger. Rigel, a blue supergiant, around 70 times bigger than the Sun. Antares, a red supergiant that would swallow Mars if placed at the center of our solar system. Scuti, one of the largest stars known, 1,700 times larger than the Sun. If it replaced our Sun, its surface would stretch beyond Jupiter's orbit. Just imagine that. The Sun, our entire solar system's powerhouse, would be a tiny spark next to this monster.
We began with Mercury, a world barely larger than our moon. Then we reached Scuti, a star that could contain billions of Earths. These scales are so vast that our minds can't fully comprehend them. But that's the beauty of it. The more we understand, the more we realize how small we are and how big the universe truly is.
And yet, from this tiny blue dot, we've managed to look across the stars, measure their size, and dream beyond our limits. Maybe being small isn't such a bad thing after all.
This is CurioScope, science made simple. Subscribe and join us as we uncover more mysteries of our universe.